Hello, my dear children. Assalamu alaikum. Very good evening to you. This is your English class. और आज हम क्या read करेंगे? We will read these and those. So you have to open your book page number 77. Already we have learned about this and that concept, and today we are going to read about these and those. This we can use this word for singular thing, for single person, single thing, and these will use for many things. And such as we should use that for one thing, for one person, and those will use for many things with the replacement of that की जगह हम those यूज़ करेंगे ज़्यादा चीज़ों के लिए, और this की जगह हम these यूज़ करेंगे ज़्यादा चीज़ों के लिए, करीब की चीज़ों के लिए. Let's open your book and you can see on your book, color the balloons near the children. Two children are here and some balloons are near to them. So we will use these are balloons because these are near to children. And in the next side, there you can see balloons are far away from the girl. So we will use those are balloons. करीब की चीज़ के लिए जैसे हम this use करते थे, so we have to use these. और दूर की चीज़ के लिए we have used that. And same thing we will use those. Write these are those for the given pictures. First picture is head for you, and these heads are near to arrow, so we will use these are heads. Next one is rose. Rose is far away from the sentence, so we will use those are rows. These are nets. Those are nets. These are tub. Dear student, open your next page. That one is 78. Here you should use these and those like previous page. So first picture is for you. What are these? These are pegs. Next one is what are these? These are rats. Next one is what are these? These are buckets. Next one, what are these? These are mops. And in the second question you have to use those. That thing is far away, so we will use what are those? Those are tabs, those are pen, those are caps, and those are mats. And the third page is assessment for you. You have already learned about this and that, these and those, so you have to complete it by yourself. This is assessment for you. This is a apple, that is red, a yellow, so you have to tick the correct color. That one is red. Like this, complete this question. And on the second question you have to look at the picture and fill the correct names of the colors to the describe. Here you can also identify the colors. So complete this page. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.